It is important to approach relationship with respect and authenticity rather than trying to manipulate someone's thoughts or emotions. Building a strong connection with someone involves genuine communications, shared interest, and mutual respect. Here are some positive ways to make a woman think about you non-stop. Be genuine. Authenticity is attractive. Be yourself and let her see the real you. Listen actively. Show genuine interest in what she has to say. Listen actively, ask questions, and engage in meaningful conversations. Be confident, not arrogant. Confidence can be attractive, but arrogance is a turn off. Be self-assured without being overly boastful. Show kindness and respect. Treat her with kindness and respect. Small gestures can go a long way in creating a positive impression. Share common interests. Find activities or topics you both enjoy. Shared interests provide a foundation for a deeper connection. Be supportive. Show that you care about her goals and dreams. Offer encouragement and support when needed. Communicate openly. Honest and open communication is key to any relationship. Be transparent about your feelings and intentions. Maintain your independence. While it is important to spend time together, maintaining individual interest and sense of independence is healthy. Surprise her occasionally. Small surprises, whether it's a thoughtful gesture or surprise date, can create positive memories. Respect her boundaries. Everyone has personal boundaries. Make sure to respect her space and decisions. Remember, it's essential to build a connection based on trust, shared values, and mutual understanding. Trying to manipulate someone's thought is not a healthy foundation for a lasting and meaningful relationship. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.